Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see two lesson plans from the same chapter, Reproduction in Animals, which is taken from class 8th NCERT textbook. So these will be the third and the fourth lesson plan of the same chapter. So we start with the third lesson plan, and as usual we have our concept map at the beginning. You can pause the video or take a screenshot if you want to. Okay, so after concept map, we are moving to the details: date, class, time, period, unit, subject, topic, and subtopic. And then we have our learning points. Then we move on to learning objectives. Again, it is very important to choose the proper learning objectives from Bloom's taxonomy. Then previous knowledge of learners, and then learning resources, and then learning processes. Now we move on to draw a table, and we start with engage. Since this is a 5E lesson plan, so there will be 5 phases. After engage, we move on to explore. Explore and explain continues in the next page as well. And then we have extend. Again, extend is continuing, and then we have evaluation. And then finally home assignment. So here ends our third lesson plan. And we move on to our fourth lesson plan. So as usual, here's the concept map, and then the details of the class or the lesson plan. Then learning points, which are again simple phrases which describe the important concepts that are dealt in that particular period. Then learning objectives. And then previous knowledge of the learners, and then learning resources that are going to be used in that period that day. Finally, learning processes, and then we directly move on to our table. Being a 5E lesson plan, it starts with engage, and then we move on to explore and explain. Explore and explain continues in the next page. Again, this lesson plan is for a constructivist classroom. So in the lesson plan also we can see that the teacher's initiatives are smaller than that of students' learning points. This is because the teacher is just a facilitator here, and the students are the ones who are actually performing all the activities and taking active participation in the teaching learning process. So that needs to be reflected in the lesson plan as well. Okay, now we have moved on to extend, and finally we come to evaluation, and then we end our lesson plan with the home assignment. That's all. Thank you.